Do you have different prices for different parties? Do you charge differently if you do a different thing? Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks for checking in again this week on my little show. Thanks for being so nice to my regular sponsors like Perfect Portals, Promo Only, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, Electro Voice speakers and microphones, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So I'm thinking about this today because I had a DJ reach out to me and say to me, hey, I'm doing a 50th birthday party and I wanted to know what to charge. And I said, well, what do you charge? And he says, well, I do weddings. And weddings, there's so much more to do at weddings. So I charge a lot more for weddings than I think I should be charging for a birthday party. Well, it's not the first time I've heard somebody say this. When I'm done being dumbfounded by the question, I usually have to ask them the question, okay, so what do you mean you're doing less? Well, at a wedding, I got to get there early. I got to play dinner music. I got to be there for the speeches and the toasts. I need to get requests from them. I need to know what their songs are going to be. I have to sit down and plan with them. I need to bring different kinds of equipment depending on how the room is or how big things are. It's always more work. A birthday party, I'm just there to play music, right? Well, I guess if you look at it that way, then yeah, I guess you might charge less because you're looking at it as the time that you put into an event and the stuff you have to do to be able to get the result of a great party. Okay, it might be easier with a birthday party. I would say it's not, but you might think so. So there you go. You have to charge less. Well, the truth of it is your customer does not care about the amount of work you put into doing your job for them. If they didn't, they wouldn't be calling you. The customer cares that at the end of the day, what they're paying for is not for you, but for the amazing party that they are envisioning. And their party's not any less amazing if they do a birthday party than if they do a wedding. At least they don't want it to be. So when they don't want it to be less amazing, why would you be charging less? Are you going to show up and give them a less amazing party at the birthday party? Are you going to do less to show up and give them what they want? Because what they want is what they're paying for. So you're going to deliver less. The party's not going to be as great. The music you play is not going to get people singing at the birthday party, but at the wedding, people will go nuts. Do you understand what I'm saying? People pay for the result, not for the amount of work and the tools that you put into it. They do not care. You care, and you put it on them that that's what matters, so that all of a sudden you can ask for a lesser price and maybe get the booking, but at the end of the day, you still need the money. You need to get paid what you need to get paid to be able to keep the business rolling. And if you do a birthday party for $500 and then you get a call for that same date for $5,000 and it's a wedding, aren't you feeling a little silly? It's a mindset change. It's the idea of remembering they're not paying you for you to do a job. They're paying you for you to deliver a service. And you deliver an amazing party or a cool vibe or whatever that is they're asking you to deliver because they can't do it and you have the skills for it. If it takes you an hour with a bookshelf speaker, it's still worth every dollar that you charge. So quit thinking of your events as different. They might be different, but the thing that you are delivering is not. And so why would you charge less for one or more for another? Unless, of course, you're just trying to be a nice guy, which, great being a nice guy, but then you also have to make a living, right? Unless you're not doing this for the money. Okay. I wish you would, because a lot of us are. All right, what do you think? Write your notes down. Tell me you think I'm full of it. Do whatever you want to do. I'm cool. This is just my take. This is me taking my creative license on this topic. I'm Bill, and I'll see you next week.